Where is the best place to add this sentence? It's believed to have been the site of a sea goddess shrine, where Roman traders once stopped. When looking for the best location to place a new sentence, we need to take into account not only which sentence precedes it, but also which sentence follows it, and see which choice gives us the most cohesive narrative. The given sentence seems to follow the mention of a historical place, perhaps one referencing Roman history. With this in mind, let's try plugging our given sentence into our choices and see how they sound. A. Following sentence 1. Nornor is part of Scilly's Eastern Isles. This does mention a place, and as we don't know anything about it yet, placing our given sentence here could give us some context about what kind of place we're discussing. As this is a contender for our answer, we'll keep an eye on it as we take a look at our other choices. B. Following sentence 5. Previously hid beneath the sands, the houses were revealed in 1962, along with more than 300 enameled Roman brooches and Gallic clay figurines, by one of the storms that sometimes blitz this distant place. This sentence discusses the discovery of ancient artifacts on Nornor, including Roman brooches and Gallic clay figurines. It would make sense for our sentence to follow this one, as they explain each other. Because they found Roman artifacts here, they believe this may have been a site where Roman traders once stopped. As this is a better fit than choice A to place our sentence, we'll mark choice A off and keep an eye on this one as we look at our other choices. C. Following sentence 6. Kayaks to reach Nornor can be rented from St. Martin's Water Sports, a small company owned by Anna Brown, who made the island her home after visiting on a dive holiday and becoming instantly smitten. We finished up with the history of the island and are now moving on to life on the island in the modern day. This being the case, it wouldn't make sense to place our sentence here, as it obviously discusses island history and would be out of place here. This choice can be marked as incorrect. And D. Following sentence 9. Protected by the Gulf Stream, they almost never get cold, so exotic plants, unseen elsewhere in Britain and brought here by Victorian plant collectors, flourish. As this sentence focuses solely on the plant life on the island, it would definitely be out of place to mention a sea goddess shrine here. This choice can be marked off, and we can mark choice B following sentence 5 as our final answer.